Does your sign company manufacture all their signs? Or do you even care as long as they're built to your exact specifications? Some sign companies have hundreds of thousands of square feet of manufacturing space. They own the plants, and with all that overhead must continually, as I call it, feed the beast. Other sign companies operate a light asset model and may not own any manufacturing facilities. They partner with one or more of dozens of wholesale manufacturers. So which is best, light asset or 100% plant ownership? When you issue an RFP, do you demand to know the sign company's operating model? The truth is, every sign company outsources some part of their sign production due to capacity constraints or inability to fabricate certain sign types. As an example, their overhead cranes may not be able to support the largest high-rise sign cabinets, or they outsource digital graphics, neon repairs, or even vinyl banners to specialty sign shops. Both operating models can work, but the best sign companies are going to have excellent project management, superior tracking systems, and the ability to pull manufacturing demands together regardless of where the signs are made. Do your research. Find out if the sign company makes the most of whichever model they use. Just because they own their own plants doesn't mean they automatically are the best choice. You've spent millions developing your brand. You owe it to yourself to choose the best branding partner, regardless of operating model.